2018 was a good year for Vivo. They've been in the Indian market since quite some time, and last year they managed to rake in some good share of that smartphone pie. This time we've got the Vivo V15 Pro. This is the unboxing video. My name is Sulabh. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside the box. That's the box of Vivo V15 Pro in front of us. Nothing unusual about it except that you can see the pop-up selfie camera and the in-display fingerprint sensor clearly on it. Couple of specifications about the smartphone are also written on the back, which include ultra full view display, 32MP selfie camera, and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 675 chipset. So let me quickly unbox the device and take you through the rest of the contents as well. First thing inside the box is this cardboard container, which has the SIM ejector tool along with couple of manuals and a clear bumper case. The case has a rubber band / bumper around it, which should give Vivo V15 Pro that extra layer of security. Next is the smartphone itself, which I'm going to keep on the side for 2 minutes and bring it back after I show you the rest of the contents inside the box. Also, inside you get a large fast charger. This should be able to get the Vivo V15 Pro charged to a considerable amount in about 10 to 15 minutes. Along with the charger, users also get a data cum charging cable. No, it is not USB Type-C, but strangely micro USB. With it, one can also see a pair of headphones. Since it is a mid-segment smartphone, packing a pair of headphones inside the box is always a good idea. Now let me quickly start the Vivo V15 Pro and show you how it works and take you over the tech specs along with its indoor camera shots. Right, so we have just started the Vivo V15 Pro and it is a stunner. The large 6.39-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED touchscreen dominates the front. I would like to mention here the chin band is slim, probably the slimmest we have seen ever on a smartphone. Over that, one thing you would have noticed is that there is no notch on this smartphone, because the selfie camera and things like the earpiece speaker grill have been pushed out towards the top of the smartphone. Let's talk some more about the design and the form factor. The rear panel has a layer of glass on top of it. Yes, it is glossy and attracts fingerprints, but most in the category do that. On the back, you also get a triple rear camera array with an LED flash and Vivo branding at the bottom. The rear also sports a gradient-ish color effect, starting with a purple hue from the top edge to a lighter shade of blue in the middle and ending in a darker shade of blue, which is somewhat like ink blue. On the right side of the smartphone, the company has placed the power and volume rocker buttons, while the left side sports the micro SD card tray and an additional button that starts the Google Assistant. I'm guessing consumers can also use it to open different apps. At the bottom of the smartphone, you will find the second tray, which can hold dual nano SIM cards that work on 2G, 3G and 4G. With it is the USB charging port and a single loudspeaker grill. Moving to my favorite part of the smartphone, which is the top, here you find the 3.5mm audio port and the pop-up selfie camera. This is the first time we are seeing this selfie camera turn up in another smartphone after Vivo Nexus. On the top, you will also find the second pinhole microphone. Last on the design list is the fingerprint scanner. So where is it, you ask? Vivo has nicely tucked it within the display. So instead of a fingerprint reader at the back, users get the in-display fingerprint experience in a mid-range smartphone. Changing gears, let's quickly talk about the technical specifications of the Vivo V15 Pro. To start with, it runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset. This is an 11nm octa-core SoC with clock speeds of up to 2.0 GHz. Also inside there is 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which of course is expandable by up to 256 GB using a micro SD card. A 3000 mAh battery is also inside this device with, like we said, fast charging capabilities. Other features of the device include Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, Bluetooth version 5, and it comes with other sensors like accelerometer, ambient light, and proximity sensors. Overall, the weight of the device is 185 grams, which looks a bit much on paper. Yes, it does. However, in the hand, it is well balanced. Skipping over to its operating system, the Vivo V15 Pro comes with Android 9 Pie out of the box, with FunTouch OS skin on top. Yes, there is bloatware on this device, but I'm pretty sure much of it can be removed and cleaned. Right now the OS is smooth to work with, the fingerprint scanner is working swiftly, and the pop-up selfie camera is showing its lovely face pretty fast. Talking about which, Vivo has taken extra care while building this 32 megapixel selfie camera. And yes, it can withstand a lot of pressure and not break. On the other side, the triple camera setup at the back comprises of a 48 megapixel primary sensor with aperture size of 2.0, a secondary wide angle 8MP sensor with aperture size of 2.2, and a third camera, which I'm guessing adds depth to the photo. Has a 5 megapixel sensor sporting an aperture size of 2.4. So let's go ahead and check some of those indoor camera shots in well-lit conditions, so you can be the judge of camera samples yourself. Alright guys, so that was the Vivo V15 Pro unboxing. You saw the contents of the box. If you did like the video, go ahead and press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Also play that giveaway which is running on our Instagram, YouTube and Twitter pages. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.